Go ahead. I'm just going to tape, and you go ahead. Okay. Okay. Push the knee forward, your left knee forward a little bit. Okay. Feet should be shoulder width apart, right? Okay. Now your right shoulder should be a little bit forward, so try to keep your shoulder squared away. Right? Okay. Bring it up just so that your cheek is just touching it. Keep your arm, elbow under. Keep that arm, there. Keep that elbow up, and the forearm one underneath the gun, just like that. So I'm going to turn this and take a look at it. So that looks okay, pretty good. Now, go ahead and bring the gun down to the port arms carry position. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is stand there like that and take it into our basic shooting position. When you're ready, and go. Okay.
He's sweeping the floor.
Not too bad. I would have that shoulder forward a little bit. Okay. Right. So we're going to stand like this. Now, what I want to do then is I'm going to take and bring this foot forward, and this one back, and keep it about the same width. Okay. Keep my shoulders bladed straight forward, just like this. I want to rotate a little bit and push a little weight on that left knee and transfer my, now if I have it like this, I want to transfer a little weight forward. This will be locked out. This will be forward. We'll have that. That'll be about our stance, okay? Now, what I want to do then, when I rotate the hand, shotgun up into the pocket, I'm going to take it forward, bring this arm up, and lock it in like that. Okay? That should keep it locked right back in here. This arm should be underneath, straight like this, like that. Now I've got, and that is about my stance. See? So if you can think of it like this, that would be your legs locked out. What we want is knees to come forward. We want just to rock a little bit forward, and that's about what we have. Right about there. The left leg's got a little bend in it. We're transferring, see, we're shifting our weight forward a little bit, locking it out, keeping this hand underneath there like that. And just like that. We have 75% of the pull is with this hand, 25% with this hand, and this hand is used to direct the direction of the muzzle. This hand holds it back into the pocket. You're all set. That's how that would go. Is the safety on?
Safety's on.
Range is hot. They got the hearing on over there?
Good.
That scare you?
Yeah, wasn't expecting it.
Okay, good. The safety's on. Got safety on. Got the safety on. Okay. Load one round.
Range is hot.
Another one. Okay. What's that? Okay.
Range is hot.
Checking things out. Shot. Okay, you fire the shot. Up. Forward. Arm up. In the pocket. Safety comes off. Cleared fire. What do you think, huh? That was a rock and roll, huh? All right, so here we're good. Okay, ready?
Go ahead.
Okay. Up. In. Okay, stance. Forward. Off. Grip. Safety on.